Elon Musk launched Falcon rockets to moon. Is Bitcoin Trump's rocket? Buckle up. Bitcoin faithful predict another surge. January 20th is the magic day? Not because it's my birthday, but that's the day Trump takes oath and signs mass deportation bill. Some believe Trump and Musk will pump Bitcoin to the stratosphere. Their tweet storms have moved markets before. Remember when Musk boosted Dogecoin? It's happening again now. Dogecoin doubled in just 4 days. That's insane. Folks are betting on another surge, picturing Lambos and early retirement, all thanks to a digital coin as stable as a newborn giraffe on roller skates. People are swept up in the hype, fueled by speculation and FOMO. It's a risky game, my friends, high risky game. Now, let's talk about another Bitcoin fantasy that's been making the rounds. The idea of it becoming part of the Federal Reserve currency. Imagine that, folks. The US government, the same folks who print money like it's going out of style, embracing a decentralized digital currency they can't control. It's like imagining your grandma getting a face tattoo and joining a heavy metal band. But hey, stranger things have happened, right? Some believe if the government hoarded Bitcoin, it would send the price skyrocketing. If Uncle Sam wants a piece of the Bitcoin pie, they'll have to pay a premium for it. They have to print billions of dollars to buy Bitcoins. But didn't Trump talk about reducing deficit? Think about it. Also, let's not forget, the government isn't exactly known for its love of things it can't control. Bitcoin doesn't help exporting inflation to rest of world on their fingertips like the US dollar. Let's be real, folks. The US government has a bit of a control issue. They like to be in charge, calling the shots. And Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin doesn't play by those rules. It's decentralized, not controlled by any single entity. Govs can't control Bitcoin or Dogecoin. Then why would the Govt surrender itself to private players holding their assets? It's like the Wild West of finance. The government relies on controlling the money supply. They can print more money to stimulate growth. Fed likes to make policy decisions and control the reserves, like raising interest rates to slow things down. But with Bitcoin, they'd be at the mercy of the market. So the idea of the US government adopting Bitcoin? It's about as likely as me winning a Grammy for my shower singing. Bitcoin, America a dollar nightmare, or inflationary apocalypse. Imagine the US government embraces Bitcoin as a reserve currency. Would the dollar crumble? Would inflation spiral out of control? Some argue Bitcoin's limited supply could curb inflation. Others worry it would undermine confidence in the dollar. The only thing US Fed can do is be net buyer by spending their dollars. The US Treasury nor the US Fed can print Bitcoin recklessly. So, as they keep buying Bitcoin, trust in both US dollars and US Treasury bonds will be eroded, leading to eventual currency collapse. The US government is unlikely to gamble with such a radical change. The debate rages on, with no clear answer in sight. Hold your horses. Bitcoin's wild ride isn't over yet. Look, I'm not here to rain on anyone's Bitcoin parade. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, that's your prerogative. But Ram's time machine requests you, please, do your research thoroughly. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, folks. It's prone to wild swings in price, and there's no guarantee that it will ever become a mainstream currency. So, before you go all in on Bitcoin, remember that you're essentially gambling on a digital asset with no intrinsic value. Last time it crashed, no one could attach a reason to it. It can happen again, and nobody knows when and why. Play safe, and keep watching Ram Time Machine videos.